How to listen offline on SoundCloud. First thing you want to do is subscribe to SoundCloud Go. To do this, you want to launch SoundCloud. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to the App Store and install SoundCloud. Then sign in and then subscribe to SoundCloud Go. To access offline listening, you must have a SoundCloud Go subscription. Tap on your profile icon in the top corner and go to Settings. Select Subscription or Go and follow the prompts to subscribe to SoundCloud Go. You'll be charged a monthly fee. Then step 2 is to find the track you want to download. Search for the music using the search bar and browse through your library or playlists. Select the track or playlist and then select the download button. Download the track for offline listening. Tap the download button, look for the download button or the 3 dots. If the track is available for offline listening, you'll see options like download or make available offline. Then download the song or make available offline. The track will begin downloading to your device. Then listen offline. Access offline content. Once your track has been downloaded, go to your library in the SoundCloud app. Tap on the offline section to view all your downloaded songs, albums, or playlists. Then you can play your downloads. If this video helped you, subscribe. But for now, goodbye.